The years have carved their lines in me, each one a story, a memory. The world I knew now shifts and fades, revealing truths in softer shades. The veil grows thin, the past drifts away. A quiet light guides the path I take today. Beyond the horizon, I see it clear. The threads of life pulling all near. Letting go of what I thought I knew, to find the wisdom shining through. Connections form where none appear. Old fears dissolve, the way is clear. I feel the whole world beating as one, a timeless song that's just begun. If I release the need to hold